Juneteenth is remembered as a call to action for unity, and this Monday, the Northwest African American Museum is offering more than just free admission. In this week's Around the Sound, KIRO 7's Niku Kazori breaks down the three-day event commemorating Juneteenth.
We're inside the Northwest African American Museum, learning how they're bringing the community together leading up to Juneteenth.
The words that Dr. King spoke are so true. None of us are free until we are all free.
Juneteenth is a time to reflect on the past while honoring the culture, music, art, and more Black Americans contribute today.
Folks come here, and when they look on our walls, they see a lot of artwork that reminds them of their history, that reminds them of community, and they feel a sense of belonging and a sense of warmth and love, and there's a sense of healing and hope here as well.
NAAM is commemorating Juneteenth with a three-day event kicking off with a youth day this Saturday, a film festival Sunday, and finally a skate party with different food, music, and vendors at Judkins Park on Juneteenth. The community response has been overwhelming.
It's so important that we realize and understand that Juneteenth is an American story. And because it's an American story, there's something in it for all of us. And it requires us to come together so that we can become our best selves.
To LaNesha, Juneteenth is a time for education, conversation, collaboration, and transformation. It's important for NAAM to recognize achievements and give voices to the Black community, not just on Juneteenth, but every day.
It's a joy. The kids, oh my gosh, to see the joy in their faces and to just see them having fun and with African American history and culture being at the center of their joy, it lightens my day.
In Seattle, Niku Kazori, KIRO 7 News.
Such a great museum.
It is.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you haven't been, it is so worth a visit. And it's great to see people actually in the doors after it was shuttered for so long with COVID.
Exactly.
It's refreshing to see.
It's always a good time, but especially right now.